Ahoy, mateys. Captain Richie Rich here. Welcome back to the Captain's World. It is day 5. Day 5. I will survive. Opening the Disney Lorcana Rise of the Floodborn packs. Let's get this puppy cracked open. I'm getting worse at this, I feel. Alright. Let's see what we get today. We're looking for another enchanted, or another legendary, or any foil, I don't know, rare and above. A lot of common foils, but I don't mind because another common foil is just a card I don't have. What do we got today? Okay, we got Rapunzel, and Dr. Facilier, Fidget, Panic, where's Pain? James with young Tiana, Benja. There's Pain. Pain. We got Panic in common and Pain in uncommon. Binding Contract. I'll do it again. Dun dun dun. Yeah, it's a duplicate. The Caterpillar. We have a rare Lumiere. That rhymes. Rare Lumiere. We have a rare Strength of a Raging Fire from Mulan. And we have a foil Cogsworth Uncommon. And there's our Minnie Mouse card. So, that's day 5, folks. 2 more days to go in this series until we decide, will there be more days? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And did you miss days 1, 2, 3, or 4? I'm sure you can find a link for it somewhere. Maybe right here. Hey, if you're interested in subscribing to the channel, click on that button right there. That'll take you to my channel. You can subscribe right there. And while you're at it, once you're done, you can click on this button right here. Show you another one of my interesting videos.